Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. And overall, though, a very, very brutal day, and it's looking like this thing is going to be a pump and up. It definitely was a gap and trap. There's no doubt about that. And if you're new to charts, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on on Tuesday, the price closed down here. Wednesday. Everything's throwing me off. And that reminds me, the reason I'm all thrown off is maybe you forgot about it too, but the markets are actually closed tomorrow on Friday because of Good Friday. So in my mind, everything's kind of off. But so tomorrow, again, Friday, the markets are closed for Good Friday. But on Wednesday, the price was down here. And then this morning opened up here. Hence a gap and a gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, the price moved itself all the way up here. Some poor souls were buying. And then from that point, back down it went. So that is the gap and trap, what I mean by that. But now it's really a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And the pump and dump level, in my opinion, is right down here at 33 cents. Reason why 33 cents is important, and I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but in the event the price were to come down here to 33 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Or in other words, that would imply that the price has made an absolutely epic move to the upside, only to go right back to where it was. Not to insult your intelligence, but that's not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. And that's what, would put it at pump and dump status. But like I said, to be fair, and the reason why you can't quite call it a pump and dump yet is maybe something like this happens where it comes down here, bounces around, and then works its way back upwards. Because at least in this situation, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows right there. And if you envision those as stair steps, well, hey, you got stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. You want to see progress being made. And because the price does still have kind of that, glimmer of hope to show signs of progress, that's why I said I'm not going to call it in a pump and dump. But yeah, if next week it just crashes down through 33, that's a nail in the coffin as far as I'm concerned. But we'll see how this one all plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.